Hello guys, welcome to my brand new video. In this video I gonna show that how to make public profile on your Snapchat account. So guys, if you new in my video, so first of all you subscribe my YouTube channel and also like comment in my video. So what you have to do, first of all you open your Snapchat account and after that go your profile. What you have to do, and scroll down and you can see that check here is no showing of your public profile option. You can see that there is nothing option of public profile. So guys, what you have to do, you open your profile and open the setting option in your mobile. Open this setting option, and what you have to do, you can see a lot of options. Scroll down and you can see the option of contact me. So what you have to do, you click on this contact me, and here you can see the two options. First is everyone and second is my friend. So what you have to do, you click on this first option, you select this everyone and go back, and again you can see the second option is view my story. So click on this view my story, type on this view my story, and here you can see a three options: everyone, friends only, and custom. So what you have to do, you click on this first option, everyone, select this, and so guys, you can see that select this, simply go back and cancel this. And what you have to do, again you open your Snapchat and go to profile and scroll down, and you can see that here is an option of create a public profile. So guys, you can see that's a new option of create a public profile. So what you have to do, you simply click on this create a public profile and show your name. So skip this and go, and what you have to do, you click on this get started, and after that you click on this create option. So guys, you can see a option of my public profile is ready, and what you have to do, you click on this my public profile, click on this, and so guys, you can see that's Park iOS tips and 5k subscribers. Snapchat team give me a 5k subscribers. So if you add it in your profile, so what you have to do, you click on this edit option and select a preview profile. So guys, click on this preview profile, and here you can see your profile is seeing in this frame. So guys, what you have to do, so guys, if you select a profile, so click on this plus option. You can see here, click on this plus option and select a image from your mobile if you put in your profile frame. So guys, I select this one and the option is save. So click on this save option. Wait some time, saving is complete. So guys, you can see that my pic is selected. So if you add your bio, so simply type here your bio. If you that, you write here, and after that if you put your location, so type on this location, and if the first option is city, the state, province, and country, so simply city is you put in according to your, and after that you province, and the last is country, and I'm from Pakistan, so simply type here Pakistan. So guys, in this method you put here all location. If you show your audience, your subscriber. So click on this, enable this option. If does not show, so unenable this option. So guys, if my video is informative, so please subscribe my YouTube channel and also like, comment in my video.